Alright, so this is the 42-inch white Hampton Bay Landmark 3 Plus ceiling fan that is installed in the kitchen at the guest house. This is similar to the fan at the TV room at the other house, except this one is on a longer down rod and it's on a sloped ceiling. I already filmed the Springfield over there, which is also on a sloped ceiling and it has a long down rod. It's slowing down. So yeah. So here's the top of it. Here's the other side is white. So yeah. And as you can see, these portions are original to the fan. So yeah, I'll start the fan starting to light. Here's all three. Here's low speed. Usually I don't do closer looks at the fan, but I'll do this for this fan. Along with the Harbor Breeze Springfield, which already stopped. I'll take it up to medium. I have two more Hampton Bay Landmark 3 Plus that I already filmed, that I need to film. The last two Hampton Bay Landmark 3 Pluses will have the white side facing down. And one more fan that I can film here, which is actually the Oakhurst, which you'll see in a minute after I get finished filming the last two landmarks. Alright, here goes high. Whoops. I accidentally stepped onto the counter. I accidentally stopped the fan. But, well, I'll just let that go, because I don't feel like restarting the video. This fan on high. I'll give you top shot. This is how far I can get to, because if I get too close, it'll like glitch or something. See, that's what's happening. That's it. This is the 42-inch white Hampton Bay Landmark 3 Plus ceiling fan that was installed in the kitchen at Fan's house, at Sarah's house, in the guest house. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.